Starting off, placing a pound of chicken breast right into our crock pot. Now here I have a mixture of chopped onions and some celery and a little bit of carrots in here. You can see all of those colorful vegetables. And you know what, I'm not gonna lie, I was too lazy to chop them up today. So by all means, go ahead. On top of all that, you wanna grab yourself a can of cream of chicken soup. Oh, that looks so creamy. This is gonna be so good. Just kind of like a little bit of a dump and bake in the crock pot dinner here. Easy peasy. You don't have to worry about that. Keep a hold of that can there, and you wanna grab some chicken broth. Just fill up that whole can with the chicken broth. Oh, it smells so good. And we'll pour that right in there. Perfect. Now add a little bit of onion powder. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I would say sprinkle about a half of a tablespoon, or maybe, I don't know, a little, however much you like. You know, it doesn't really matter. Some garlic powder. Here's the deal, guys. If you like it a lot, add a lot. If you don't like it a lot, add a little bit. If you're unsure, we'll start with a little because you can always add more. And then we're gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika in here. Ooh, this just gives it a little bit of a pop like that. I love that stuff, perfect. Okay, we're gonna come in with a little bit of salt. We'll sprinkle that, that's good. And of course, a bit of pepper. So we have a few of these delicious seasonings. The garlic and the onion is just going to complement, and that paprika, that cream of chicken. We're gonna give this a little bit of a stir here before we lock this lid on. Oh, you can see the vegetables and that cream of chicken. This is going to be super creamy, tasty. The whole family is easily pleased with this easy meal. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna put that lid right on there. We're gonna cook it on high for about 3 to 4 hours, and stick around because you're gonna love this super easy dinner. Okay, you guys, the whole house is smelling fabulous, and I cannot wait to dig in here. Look at that chicken in there, roasted with those vegetables. Oh, it's so tender. Look at that. Now, I can just pull it apart, so I'm just gonna keep it all right here in my crock pot, and I'm just gonna start pulling apart and shredding that chicken. This smells so good. Oh, I wish you guys could, if you could smell it, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like a chicken noodle creaminess on steroids or something. Delicious. Oh, come and check this out. You can see that this chicken is so tender. It's literally just ripping apart. I want that nice and shredded up because that is gonna soak in with all of that good stuff that we have in there. All right, so I have a little bit of heavy cream. I'm gonna give that a little bit of a shake, and I wanna just make this a little bit creamier. So I'm just gonna pour in a little bit of heavy cream, only a couple tablespoons, that's it. I mean, but if you want more too, that's okay. And then we're gonna stir that all together. Oh, that is making that nice. Oh, just a little bit more on the creamy side there. Oh yeah, we got this creamy rice dish. Oh, and it was so easy to do. One more thing, I have about 3 cups of egg noodles. I'm gonna plop right in there. Now, I want you to share with me in the comments what you would use. If you would use egg noodles, or are you gonna go ahead and maybe do this over rice or nothing at all? I don't know, you tell me, but you can see that creaminess that is just spreading all around those noodles, and that chicken. You know what, everybody just loves this. It's so easy. Kids love it, family loves it. Okay, we want a nice big hopping little. Look at that chicken, look at those noodles and those veggies and that creaminess. We'll plop that right in. This creamy noodles. Also, like, you could definitely add more to this. You could add more vegetables. Are you gonna add more vegetables? Maybe you make your vegetables chunkier. Maybe you, I don't know, what are you gonna do? I'm always open, and you know what? I always love your ideas because then I can get more ideas. So please share with me, I really appreciate it. Oh, this is hot, but wow. This is where it's at right here, you guys. Easy peasy dinner. Definitely feed the entire family. This would store absolutely great too. Easy heated up. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and we'll see you guys later. Yummy.